Just when you thought you were comfortable with fractions, algebra comes along and adds letters. It can look messy, like an equation that needs some serious housekeeping. Take something like x squared plus 5x all divided by x. The temptation is huge to just slash through the x's. But stop, that's a trap. That plus sign on top acts like superglue. It locks the x squared and the 5x together. Trying to cancel just one of them is like trying to rip a single page out of a glued book. You just make a mess. This is the illegal cancel trap. You can only cancel things that are multiplied, not things that are added or subtracted. So how do we dissolve the glue? With one golden rule: factorize before you cancel. Let's look at the top of our fraction again, x squared plus 5x. Both terms share a common factor, x. So we can rewrite the top as x times x plus 5. Now our fraction is x times x plus 5 divided by x. See that? The x outside the bracket is now a factor. It's multiplying the entire x plus 5 group. It's no longer glued. Now we can safely cancel the x on top with the x on the bottom, leaving a clean, simple answer, x plus 5. This rule is your key for everything. When you multiply algebraic fractions, look for factors to cross-cancel before you multiply across. When you divide, just use keep, change, flip, and then hunt for those factors. And remember, if you cancel out an entire numerator, like an x over x, it doesn't vanish. It leaves behind an invisible 1. This isn't just tidying up for a test. This is a core skill for engineering and coding. By mastering this algebraic housekeeping, you turn cluttered, intimidating formulas into simple, powerful tools. You reveal the clarity that was hidden in the clutter all along.